How to find your username in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In today's video, we will understand how to find your username in Windows 11. Knowing your username in Windows 11 is crucial for accessing personalized settings, files and system configurations. So let's start the video. So first left click on your Windows icon, and then click on Settings. Here at the left side of panel, click on System. A new window will appear. And once the system window opens, you just need to scroll down and go to the About section. Now, in the About section you will see the same device name, and under device name you will be able to see your computer name or the PC name. So this is how you can find out the username of your Windows 11 operating system. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.